Construction is progressing well on a new mental health facility in Lansing.
Work at the old McLaren Greenlawn campus is halfway done. News 10's Maureen Halliday has a check on the progress being made and what the facility will look like as part of our You're Not Alone series.
There are some changes throughout due to construction, due to some of the need.
The old McLaren Hospital in Lansing is taking on new shape and a new name. The Community Mental Health Authority of Clinton, Eaton, and Ingham County's new crisis care center will be dedicated to people facing behavioral health emergencies.
You can see the new wall framing here.
Framework up and the blueprints coming to life. The crisis care center is on track to open next year. There are 3 floors to the facility. The ground level is where patients will check in and get evaluated. Anyone needing extra attention will be taken to the first floor to the stabilization unit. The top floor will have a recovery center.
Really just a wide variety, but a nice crisis array of services where people can get the help that they need.
And there's a critical need for crisis services in mid-Michigan.
There's a limited amount of psychiatric beds available, so people often get stuck waiting for a bed, and we end up sending a lot of people outside of our own community to a psychiatric placement. So we're really hoping we'll be able to do more here to stabilize people and potentially avoid having to send them far away out of our community.
Part of that effort is adding dozens of new beds to the facility and a new crisis stabilization unit.
The crisis stabilization unit will give us additional bed space and the ability to do intervention over a lengthy period of time.
Gwenda Summers with the Community Mental Health Authority says there's been an increase in kids needing this kind of care.
Youth have suicidal ideation. Sometimes they're aggressive. Sometimes they're just sad and withdrawn or crying. A whole host of symptoms could also include withdrawing from friends and family. So all of those things and other behavioral concerns might be reasons that families would bring their youth in.
As demand grows, the new facility will be able to accommodate both kids and adults.
We have the adults on one side and we have kids on the other. So we're actually able with these doors to flex a couple of rooms in one direction or the other.
There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but crews are hoping to finish construction early in the new year.
Where are we at? About 48% complete, roughly? Somewhere in that ballpark? 51. 51? Okay, that's very good. It's 3% more than I thought.
In Lansing, Maureen Halliday, News 10.
The Community Mental Health Authority says once construction is finished, it will take a couple of months to start welcoming patients. The goal is to have the center up and running by next summer. And you can read more about it on our website, WILX.com.
This is your First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Andy Provenzano.